Hello students, I am Praveen Tyagi, faculty at an academy, and here with us is Union Prasad. Union has got 5 IM calls, and this is his second interview with me, second interaction. I am trying to prepare my students for the interview. So this is a practice interview for him, and maybe you will learn a lot from this interview. It will be a short interview, and we'll have the detailed discussion of the things after the interview. So let's start formally. So hello, Nian, how are you doing today?
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am good. I'm good. So Union, just want to ask you that
Yes,
why
sir.
do you want to do MBA?
So, because I have seen I am in sports fit and I love sports, and also I have seen that I love management, managing people, and MBA is a platform which gives me the place to mix up both my loves, both my hearts, my sports and management together, and so I can reach the next level and do something in that field, sir.
What is your dream company?
My dream company I'm not having for now, sir. I will say because I want to know more about it. I have not targeted any company, but I have targeted some jobs, means some areas like sports analyst or sports marketing departments. I want to go in that field, sir.
Yeah, but any company that you have thought you will work for?
Uh, Not for now, sir. Seriously, I haven't thought of that type.
Okay, great. So
Yes, sir. I have. Yes, sir. I have thought of Decathlon, sir. But let's see, sir. I
okay,
have thought of that first.
so one company is there in the mind, right?
Yeah, just a little.
Okay, great. So, Union, what has been your favorite subject in your graduation?
In my graduation, it was what else? Computer science only, sir. Software engineering and Java.
Okay. Can you tell me something about 486 computers?
Which computers, sir?
486.
486. Mm, sorry, sir. I'm not able to gather the.
Because whenever you start your discussion of computers and things, then the
Yes, sir.
oldest computer was 486, 386,
Yeah, I
486.
know, sir. But I don't remember, sir. That.
Okay. Okay. Can you make a robot?
No, sir.
Why you can't make it?
Sir, I haven't gained the knowledge of making a robot, sir. I have. I will say it was my fault,
Can
and
you
also
make a mobile app?
not, sir. Seriously, no, sir.
So then, what have you done in your computer engineering?
So it's the fact, sir, that my college was not of that kind that give me practical knowledge on any field. They just taught me theory, and every day I used to sit in class, no labs. So the practical knowledge I didn't have, I haven't gained, sir. So it's what
So
can I
in
do,
the
sir?
case, it's your college's fault. It's not your fault that
Yes,
you don't know it.
no, it's my fault, sir, because I will say that I should have given more pressure on me and learned from outside.
But
Like today, many platforms, sir. There.
right now you said it was your college, na, who is not giving you the opportunity to do this. You said this, so it means your
Yes,
college
sir.
fault.
Sir, I will say it's a maximum of my fault, sir. Because if I wanted to do it, I could have done it, sir. That is what it says, sir.
Okay, so then you should have not named the college in that case.
Yes, sir. But as a side character, I will say it's college. A little part is there also, sir.
Yeah,
As a side part.
means no college will help students to make projects and things. So they always
No, sir.
motivate. It's the environment that helps you and promotes you, na?
Yes, sir. Actually, the my college environment is also like that, sir. So it's like basically, I have not got that exposure to present myself, sir.
Okay.
And so day by day, I got out of that zone. I entered college to learn new things, but day by day, got out of that computer engineering line. I don't know what happened there.
Okay,
But still, I'm going on. Oh,
there is a book author called Tenenbaum. Have you heard the name?
yes, sir.
Have
No,
you
sir.
heard the name Tenenbaum?
No, sir.
Okay. Data networking, has this been your subject?
Sorry, sir.
Data networking, has this been your subject?
Data networking. Yes, sir.
So in data networking, which book, which author have you referred?
Data network. I don't remember the book service. Data networking. Networking. Not remembering, sir. Sorry, sir.
So inside networking, there is something called star network or something like this. You know, you have heard something like this, star network and all.
Yes, I have heard. I heard the terms, sir. Very many terms I have heard, sir. But in-depth knowledge I don't have of anything, sir.
Okay, what is Ethernet?
Ethernet is a. I will say Ethernet is a. Ethernet is a. Uh, Ethernet is a way. What I will say. It is a communicating. Ethernet is a way of communicating together in a. What I will say, in a way which are connected through a same network known as LAN. Yeah, it's a local area network. Ethernet works on the same network, sir.
Okay.
Connecting computers together in a same network. Yes.
Okay. Now, you must have heard about intranet and internet.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between intranet and internet?
Intranet is uh, intranet. Hmm. And I have internet is a network in which internet is a network which is in which we can do many things, and intranet is a thing that what I will say, it's a private network operated by a large company, I will say, and also uh, sorry, sir, not gathering, sir.
Okay,
Sorry, sir.
fine. One femtobyte is how many bytes?
One
Femtobyte.
femtobyte. No idea, sir.
One petabyte is how many bytes?
Petabyte. Sorry, sir.
Uh, I am having doubts. What sort of engineering have you done? Means you don't know anything about this networking and all. Why?
Yes, sir. I have told you at first, but it's very. I have not gained that type of any knowledge, sir.
So because you have not been a good engineer, so how can I be assured that you will be a good manager in my college? Maybe you will do the MBA also like that.
No, sir. I just need I just need a platform to express myself, sir. And your college will give me that exposure, sir. I am pretty sure about that, sir. One mistake I have done getting into this engineering college, where I am not feeling that confident. My confidence has got so low that I cannot. I'm not able to say you, sir. But I feel I want to improve myself by going into your college, and I know I have that strength and capability in myself to give give and exceed my this level to 200% more.
Okay,
I
who
am
is the
pretty sure
deputy
about
CM
that.
of UP?
Yes, sir.
Who is the deputy CM of UP?
Deputy CM of UP is uh, Deputy CM of UP. Yogi Adityanath is CM. That Kishore, I'm forgetting his name. Maurya. I think Deputy CM is Shri Keshav Prasad Maurya.
Are you
Yep.
sure?
Yes, sir.
So why you took so much time?
So because I have heard there are two deputy CMs. Two deputy. I am remembering one, sir. One more is there, sir.
Okay.
One more is some Mr. Sharma. His name I'm forgetting. So it's I think Doctor Mr. Dinesh Sharma.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's Mr. Dinesh Sharma. I remember, sir.
Okay. Tell me one quality of yours that I should select you.
One quality of mine. Sir, I will say one quality of mine is that I am um, very much a goal oriented. If I get a base, I will learn it, sir. I just need a platform. If I get a base, I will do anything to learn it. I will take everything. I will give everything of mine, and I will take everything of your knowledge in my side to improve myself, sir. And also, I can say one more thing, sir, that I am a huge means I have a huge willingness to learn new things, sir. I have in childhood also I used to learn new things, but slowly I got totally out of that zone. But I'm still having that factor in myself. Me,
What
sir.
is your favorite sport?
So my favorite sports is cricket, sir.
Cricket.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which year did Kapil Dev win the World Cup?
Sir, Kapil Dev won the World Cup in 1983, sir.
Okay. And can you name five of the teammates in Indian team at that time?
1983 World Cup team, sir.
Yeah, five teammates of 1983 World Cup.
It's Kapil Dev, Captain Kapil Dev. Then World Cup, it's Roger Binney, and also uh, Shrikant. Shrikant was there. Then and also Madan Lal. And number fifth is I forgot his name. How can I forget? Madan Lal and
Was Mohammad
number
Azharuddin a part of that team?
Mohammad Azharuddin. No, sir.
Are you sure he was? He's the one of the oldest players. He
No,
has
sir.
been
He wasn't a
playing for
part
a
of.
long time, right?
Yeah, but he wasn't a part of that team, sir.
What
He came
about
after
Lala
that, sir.
Marnath? Was Lala Marnath there?
Lala. Yes, sir. Lala Amarnath was there, sir. Lala Amarnath was there, sir.
Okay. And can you tell me what is the bowling speed of Shoaib Akhtar?
Fastest
Yeah,
or
fastest.
the average?
Fastest.
Fastest is 161.9 kph.
Okay. Is it miles per hour or kilometer per hour?
Kilometers per hour, sir.
Okay. Who has thrown ball faster than Shoaib Akhtar till now in the world?
No one, sir. No one has crossed that, sir.
No
In
one has
tests,
crossed 100 miles per hour. You want to see this?
no. Players have not crossed Shoaib Akhtar, sir, but they have crossed the 100 miles mark, sir.
So that
I
is
will say
when
Mitchell
he thrown
Stark.
ball faster than Shoaib Akhtar.
No one, sir.
So no one has crossed 100 miles per hour.
Uh-huh.
Are you sure? Or
Yes, sir.
should we Google? Should you Google it right now?
I don't think so.
See, normally the bowlers are not able to throw so much fast, but again, more than 100 miles per hour, your balls can cross. Even if you are at throwing at 90, your ball can once
Yeah.
in a while your ball can cross 100.
So I am telling, sir, that many players are there. So Sean Tate, Shane Bond, and now Mitchell Stark. Mitchell Stark is the fastest bowler in Test, sir. He has 160 point something, sir, in Test match fastest ball. But no one has crossed Shoaib Akhtar, sir. It's the still
No,
it's the world record, sir.
100 miles per hour, no one has crossed. That's my question.
Seriously, sir, no, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you feel your level of game is in cricket? If the game required for an Indian team player is 100, what do you feel? Where do you stand out of 100?
For now, I will say I am a 30 to 40. I'm still getting on and on and on.
But 30 to 40 is very less. So, don't you think your favorite sport is this cricket? You're playing it so long and you are still 30, 40 out of 100.
Yes, sir, because I started from zero and in last 2 to 3 years
You
I
can start
gained to
from zero.
30
No
to
one knows cricket by birth.
no. I will say zero means on a professional level, sir. It was after my class 12. In 4 years, I have gained to 40. I will say I am very good at it, and still, it's a long journey, sir. You have to give it your full for it. Total 24 hours you have to work on it, sir, to gain 100.
You think that you have
If
not
I'm
been
40,
working? So I'm not saying that you should be 100. I'm saying you should be at least 80, 70 like that. You're saying just 30 only.
sir, no, sir, 30s, 40s. I will keep my 40s. Definitely 40. 80, 80, I will say I need some more time. If I get more for
You're a
3
bowler or
years, I will say.
batsman?
So me, so I'm a spin bowling and batsman, leg spinner,
Okay. So can
leg
you
break.
guaranteedly
Yes,
make a person out in 6 balls? If you throw 6 balls, if you throw 1 over, can you give the guarantee that you will make this person out? For example, a person like me,
yes, sir, definitely. Sir.
you will definitely make me out.
Yes, sir.
If I will not move, I'll just touch my bat. Then how?
LBW, sir.
I'll touch my bat. I'll not touch my pad. I'll touch my bat.
Edge,
No, I'll not make any.
slip catch.
I'm sure every ball I'll respect it and just like Shrikant, I will place it in the bottom.
So some balls will spin, sir. Definitely, you may have an edge, sir. I mean, leg break balls to get an edge, sir.
How much percent are you sure that in 6 balls you can make me out?
I'm a 90% sure, sir.
Okay. Okay, just tell me one thing. If you are the last man on the earth, left, no one is there on
Okay,
the
sir.
earth. All animals,
Okay.
everyone is gone. You are alone on the earth. For example, what will be your first 3 steps? The
First,
earth has
so
been
that
covered by water. Now you are only
sir,
alive, the only person who is alive on the entire planet. No animals, no birds, nothing. Only
no
Union,
living species, sir.
only Union Prasad. What will you do now?
First thing I will search for a life, sir. Any life, any type of life to
As
give
you
me
continue, there is
support,
no
sir.
life. Apart from Union Prasad, there is no one on earth.
Sir, do I know these things, sir? That no, everyone is dead, sir.
Yeah, you know this.
At that
You know that
at that
type
moment,
of the damage that has been done, nobody could have saved. You were saved
okay,
because you made a special shield for yourself, and for months you could float into the shield in the water. You had enough food inside that shield, and you had a way of breathing oxygen also inside the shield. So you were able to save yourself.
okay. So, sir, first thing as I know, sir, no one is alive now. So I will obviously search for greater stocks of food and water to keep me alive.
Okay.
Then I will check out, sir, that
There, you
if
see,
someone is
all
alive
plants
by
are
mistake,
changed. There is
sorry,
no
sir,
plant. There is no animal.
no,
It's like being on moon, but there is some
sir,
water.
but
There is some sea
there
water
are some
there.
shops, something is left now, sir, now, in that godowns or something.
No, only you are there. Nothing else is there. No life is there on earth. Neither plants nor insects. Nothing.
Junk foods,
Only water is there all around you.
only water is there, sir.
Yeah, you are on a piece of land. There is only water around you. What will you do?
First, my instinct will say to find any type of support to give me that motivation so that I stay alive. Because in that negative situation, I I I need that confidence in me. I need that life support who shows me that you need to stay alive here. You can cross this calamities or calamity or disaster something someday,
So first of all,
sometime
you will
someday.
try to save yourself, right?
Yeah,
By searching food or something to eat or whatever.
yeah.
Okay.
Any type of support system. Any type of support system.
Okay.
I will need. It's non-living thing or living thing. It will not matter, sir. But any type of support system I need to keep me alive, keep me motivated in that situation. But particularly, I cannot say what will I do that moment.
Okay, just answer me a couple of questions. White or black?
So white
Tea or coffee?
coffee,
Bike or car?
bike,
Home or a flat?
home, sir.
Okay. Uh, your favorite animal?
My favorite animal, it's dog, sir.
Sweet or sour?
Sweet, sir.
Sweet food or salty food?
Sweet food.
Okay. And fastest bird on earth?
Uh, fastest bird on earth, I think ostrich.
But those who fly in air are also fastest, no?
Yeah,
They
I
are a
have
part of
heard.
Earth. Is the atmosphere not a part of you? Not an atmosphere, not a
Sorry,
part of
sir.
Earth?
First, I couldn't understand, sir.
I'm saying atmosphere is also a part of us, na?
Yeah, yeah,
So if I'm talking about Earth, I'm also talking about atmosphere, na?
yeah.
So
So,
fastest
but you
bird,
asked fastest bird. How atmosphere is not a bird, sir.
fastest bird on Earth. That's my question.
Ah, ostrich is a bird only, sir.
The ostrich is a bird.
So I was,
But I'm
yeah.
saying
It's
you
a mammal. It's
say
a
fastest bird on
it,
Earth is ostrich. You don't have to run the race. You have to fly, na? Birds fly. And they stay on Earth also.
fastest bird on earth. It's a. Is it a KBC question? I remember something I heard. Was fastest. Is it the fastest bird? Is it the falcon? Something, sir. I'm
And
not
what is
pretty
the
sure
speed?
about it.
Approximate speed?
I don't remember, sir. I just remember the half things. I'm not pretty sure about it, sir. But I think it's the falcon, sir.
And what is the approximate speed of falcon if you say?
Sorry, sir. I have no idea about it, sir.
Is the fastest bird faster than cheetah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm not sure, sir. Not sure,
more
sir.
than 120 kilometer per hour.
Not sure, sir. I don't. I have no idea about the bird speed, sir. So how can I compare it with the cheetah, sir?
Yeah. And what about the speed of a shark? Fastest shark?
Fastest shark.
What is the speed of fastest shark?
No, no idea, sir.
Okay. Who
Sorry, sir.
manufactures Aquafina water?
Who manufactures Aquafina water?
Yeah.
Who manufactures Aquafina water? Sorry, sir.
Okay. Who
Wait,
manufactures?
sir. Wait, sir. Wait, sir. So wait, sir. I remember, sir. In that wrapper, it's written Pepsi company, sir. Yeah.
You
It's the
do not
Pepsi
use your
company.
brain, na?
Yes, sir.
You do not use your brain.
Yeah. I remember it now, sir. That wrapper, it's PepsiCo. It's written, sir. In the cap also, it's sometimes written.
What is the speed of a bullet?
Bullet speed. It differs, sir. Different ones have different bullet speeds, sir.
Average speed of the bullets? Rough idea.
Rough idea. Rough idea is no, sir. Sorry, sir.
Is it faster than a cheetah or not?
Obviously, sir.
So it is more than 120 kilometer per hour.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which company manufactures Borvita?
Company that manufactures Bonvita. Bonvita, Bonvita, Bonvita. It's the Cadbury company.
Who manufactures Horlicks?
Horlicks. Company manufacturing Horlicks. No idea, sir. I don't
I'll give
remember
you
it
good
now,
marks
sir.
in the interview if you answer this question correctly.
Manufacturer of Horlicks. Horlicks. Manufacturer of Horlicks.
Yeah.
Horlicks is an Indian company. I think.
Who manufactures Dettol?
Parley. It's a Parley.
Parley is the wrong
Yeah,
answer.
yeah.
You got negative marks.
Yes, sir.
Parley is the wrong answer.
Serious?
Yes. Who manufactures Dettol?
Dettol.
Who manufactures Harpic?
Manufacturer of Harpic. Hindustan Unilever, sir.
No, wrong answer. Don't you have these things in your home?
Yes, sir, I
You
have.
aspire to become a manager and you don't even turn and see who made it. Ultimately, your life will be these companies.
Yes.
So, Union, you have not answered so many questions in the interview today and answers a lot of them wrongly also.
Yes, sir.
Do you still feel you are a good candidate?
Yes, sir. I feel sir, I am a good candidate, sir. I feel I have a lot room for improvement in me, sir. And I feel, sir, I will improve, sir.
What is the
I
wattage
will.
of a tube light at home? I'm just asking you simple
Hello?
questions that are there in your home, not asking you anything great.
Hello?
Are you able to get me?
Yes, sir. So, okay.
What is the wattage of a
Hello?
tube light?
Wattage of a tube light. Tube light or bulb, sir?
Tube light.
Wattage of tube light.
4 feet wide
Uh,
tube light, the classical one.
that 20 watts, sir.
No, wrong answer.
Is it 20 watts?
Okay, thank you, Prasad. I have spent a lot of time with you. Thank you very much for your answers. We'll let you know about your results soon. So, students, this was the interview of Union Prasad. This was his second interview. It was very different from the first interview. I did not ask him any standard question. All the questions were very different, very practical. The things that are around his life, I have only asked that. So, Union, how has been your performance? What do you say about your performance? Now the formal interview is over. You can just comment on things.
It's a 3 on 10, sir.
3 on 10. So you feel that you will not be selected if this kind of performance is there?
Yes, sir, I feel, sir.
Okay. Do not think like this, first of all. Your major criteria of selection is communication and confidence, apart from knowledge. So if your communication skills are fine, if you are answering confidently, even if you have to say 20 times, I don't know, your interview can go better. Na? Why do you rate yourself so badly? I took your stress interview deliberately. I deliberately asked you those questions that you will not know. Interviewer can also do it. So does it mean that you will be a bad candidate? No, you are as you are. Right? So when if you're not answering questions, do not think that कि आपका इंटरव्यू खराब गया है. अगर आपने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर नहीं दिया तो भी आपका इंटरव्यू अच्छा जा सकता है क्योंकि जो दिया वो बढ़िया से दिया और अपना कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल नहीं गिराया. हाँ, आपको ना सोचने के लिए आप टाइम ले रहे हो वो ठीक है, दैट यू कैन टेक, बट सोचते हुए फेस पर एक्सप्रेशन नहीं आना चाहिए खराब वाला. आप सोचते हुए आप बहुत आंखों को ऐसे कर रहे थे, आईज को, और ऐसे ऊपर देख रहे थे, नीचे देख रहे थे, तो मतलब वो
स्ट्रेस वाला.
स्ट्रेस नहीं दिखना चाहिए वो आपको कि आप घबरा रहे हो और घबराहट के बारे में आंसर नहीं दे पा रहे हो कुछ क्वेश्चंस. तो ठीक है, तो मतलब अगर इंटरव्यूअर आपके लिए किसी भी तरह की सिचुएशन तैयार कर सकता है, आपको उसके लिए तैयार रहना है. बड़े ठंडे दिमाग से कूलली आंसर करना है। और अगर आपको क्वेश्चनों के आंसर बहुत सारे नहीं भी आते हैं, then you should not feel bad about yourself. You should accept कि I'm sorry sir, I will learn this. I'm not up to the mark. I'm sorry. Sorry बोल दो और आगे बढ़ो। गलत आंसर मत बोलो, ब्लफ मत करो। पार्ले बोलना नहीं चाहिए था तुमको, जबकि हॉर्लिक्स बनाने का नाम है ग्लैक्सोस्मिथक्लाइन, जीएसके। एक ही तो एनर्जी है,
याद है यार,
दवाई वाली
जिसके वो
कंपनी
लिखा
बना के
रहता है।
उसमें दवाई वाला टेस्ट भी आता है। है समझ? तो ब्लफ नहीं करना है, गलत आंसर नहीं बोलना है। ये आपके लिए फीडबैक है। कॉन्फिडेंस बनाए रखो, आई कांटेक्ट बनाए रखो, स्माइल फेस पर हमेशा रखना है, स्ट्रेस नहीं दिखना चाहिए, ठीक है? और जब आंसर ना दे पाओ तो अपनी गलती माननी भी है, सॉरी भी बोलना है, बट स्ट्रेस नहीं दिखना चाहिए आपके ऊपर, ठीक है? सो दैट इज अ फीडबैक फॉर यू। और मैं आपको इस इंटरव्यू में 7 आउट ऑफ 10 दूंगा। आप अपने आप को 3 दे रहे थे। 7 मतलब देयर इज अ स्कोप ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट, बिकॉज मेरे को आपकी पॉजिटिव साइड भी देख पाया मैं, जो मैं देखना चाह रहा था। और आपको मैं स्ट्रेस में डालकर भी देखना चाहा कि आप कैसे बिहेव करते हैं। जो चीजें आप कॉन्फिडेंट थे उनको भी आर यू श्योर वगैरह पूछकर इंटरव्यू और आपका कॉन्फिडेंस हिलाता है। तो वो उनकी स्ट्रैटेजीज है। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इस इंटरव्यू के बाद आपकी परफॉर्मेंस रियल आईएम इंटरव्यू में और बेटर होगी। So I hope you will work on the feedback and improve.
Yes, sir.
So students, this was Union Prasad with us, and I helped my student for a practice interview. I teach live on Unacademy. आप Unacademy का ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और मेरा नाम सर्च कर सकते हैं प्रवीण त्यागी। वहां जाके आप मुझे फॉलो करिए और आप मेरी क्लासेस देखना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको Unacademy ज्वाइन करना है या मेरी कोई भी फ्री क्लास देखनी है तो आपको उससे पहले कोड यूज करना पड़ेगा, मैथ मैजिक। सो गाइज, यूज कोड मैथ मैजिक and join Unacademy for free classes or for plus classes, just like Union Prasad. Next can be you. Thank you very much guys for being a part of this interview. Thank you very much. And yeah, do remember to like and share the video if you liked it, ताकि औरों का भी benefit हो सके।